Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss the concept of tangents and normals, and we'll find the tangents and normals to given curves. First, let us come to the definition of tangents and normals. If we have Cartesian form of equation, then the equation of a tangent at a point on the curve is given by this. And as we know, the normal at a point is a line through the point and perpendicular to the tangent at that point. Therefore, equation of normal is given by this. We know two lines are perpendicular if the product of their slopes is equal to -1. Therefore, here it is f dash x and here it is -1 upon f dash x. Again, if the equation of curve is given in the parametric form, then in that case, if this is the equation of parametric Cartesian equation, if the curve equation is of this form, then equation of tangent at the point T is given by this relation, which on simplification will give us this. This is the equation of tangent if the curve equation is in parametric form, and this is the equation of normal if the curve equation is in parametric form. Okay, now we consider some examples and let us see how we can find the tangents and the normals to given curves. First, find the tangents and normals to the given curves at the given points. First curve given to us is y square is equal to 4ax at a minus 2a. This is equation of a parabola. We have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal to this parabola at this given point. For this, first we have to find dy by dx, differentiating with respect to x both sides. This will give us 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a. That is, dy by dx is equal to 2a by y. Now, dy by dx at the given point a minus 2a is 2a by minus 2a, that is -1. Now, therefore equation of tangent at the point a minus 2a is given by y plus 2a is equal to dy by dx at the point a minus 2a into x minus a. That is, y plus 2a is equal to -1 into x minus a. Okay, now this is equal to y plus 2a plus 1 into x minus a is equal to 0. That is, y plus a plus x is equal to 0, or in the form we can write in this form, x plus y plus a is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent at the point a and minus 2a. Okay, at the point a and minus 2a. Now we have to find the normal. For this, we have to find minus dx by dy first. Minus dx by dy is equal to minus y by 2a. Also, minus dx by dy at the point a minus 2a is equal to minus of minus 2a by 2a. That will give us 1. Therefore, equation of normal Therefore, equation of normal at a minus 2a is y plus 2a is equal to 1 into x minus a is equal to 0. That is y plus 2a minus x plus a is equal to 0. Or we can write this as y plus 3a minus x is equal to 0, or x minus y minus 3a is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal to the parabola at the point a minus 2a. Next, consider this curve. Second, now consider the next curve. Xy is equal to c square, and the point given to us is cp and c by p. Now, first we have to find the derivative, differentiating with respect to x both sides. Now applying the product rule of differentiation, this will give us y plus x dy by dx is equal to 0. That is dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Now at the point CP and c by p, this is equal to minus c by p into cp. That is, this is equal to minus 1 by p square. dy by dx at this point is minus 1 by p square. Therefore equation of tangent is given by y minus c by p is equal to minus 1 by p square x minus cp. This can be written as p square y minus cp plus x minus cp is equal to 0, or this is p square y minus cp plus x minus cp is equal to 0. That is x plus p square y is equal to 2cp. This is my equation of tangent. Now, to find the equation of normal, first we have to find minus dx by dy. Also, minus dx by dy is equal to minus 1 upon minus y by x. This is equal to x by y, and minus dx by dy at the point cp c by p is equal to cp by c into p. That is p square. Okay, and equation of normal in that case is given by y minus cp is equal to p square x minus cp. This is py minus c minus p cube x minus cp is equal to 0. That is py minus c minus p cube x plus cp4 is equal to 0. Okay, this means this is equal to, this will give us py minus p cube x is equal to c minus cp4. That is, this is equal to p cube x minus py is equal to cp4 minus c, which can be written as cp4 minus 1, and here it is p cube x py. This is the equation of normal to given curve. Okay, this is how we have to find the equation of normal and equation of tangent at a given point. Now let us consider next example. Second example, find the equation equations of tangent and normal tangent and normal tangent and normal at any point xy of the curve xm by am plus ym by bm is equal to 1. We have to find the equation of tangent and normal to this curve. Okay, first differentiating with respect to x both sides, we have to find dy by dx. Okay, now this will give us mxm minus 1 by am plus mym minus 1 by bm dy by dx is equal to 0. That is dy by dx is equal to minus mxm minus 1 upon am into bm upon mym minus 1. This will get cancelled out and we are left with minus bm xm minus 1 upon am by m minus 1. Therefore equation of tangent at the point xy is given by y, capital Y minus 5. This is equal to minus bm xm minus 1 upon am by m minus 1 into x minus x. Now simplifying this is equal to am by m minus 1 this plus bm xm minus 1 is equal to 0. That is, now simplifying, this will be am ym plus bm xm minus 1 minus this. Okay, now take these two terms to right hand side. This will give us, this is equal to am this plus bm xm minus 1 is equal to am ym plus bm xm. Now dividing both sides by am bm. This will give us y m minus 1 into y. am will get cancelled out. This is, and same here it is x m minus 1 into capital X by am, and this is equal to ym upon bm plus xm by am, which is nothing but equal to 1. This is our curve equation. Okay, this is equal to 1. Therefore, this is for xy lies on the curve. Therefore the equation of tangent is x into xm minus 1 am plus this. This is the equation of tangent. Same way, we have to find the equation of normal. Okay, now equation of normal is given by this. This is minus 1 by dy by dx into this. Now on substituting values, I get this is 5 minus this is equal to am ym minus 1 bm xm minus 1 x minus x, which can also be written as this this is equal to this. Now this is my equation of normal to given curve. This is equation of tangent and this is equation of normal. Okay. Now let us consider next example. Third example. Find the equation of tangent and normal at theta is equal to pi by 2 to the curve x is equal to a theta plus sine theta and y is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. We have to find the equation of tangent and normal to this curve. Now here it is parametric equation. We are given equation of curve is given in parametric form. Okay. Now we have to find dx by d theta and dy by d theta. We have dx by d theta differentiating x with respect to theta. This will give us 1 plus cos theta, and same way dy by d theta differentiating y with respect to theta will give us, this is 0 and this is minus sine theta, that is minus a sine theta. Now we know we have a trigonometric identity cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sine square theta. Therefore, I can write my cos theta as cos square theta by 2 minus sine square theta by 2. I can write this in this form. Therefore dx by d theta is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. I can write this as a, and this as cos square theta by 2 plus sine square theta by 2, which is 1, replacing 1 by this, plus cos square theta by 2 minus sine square theta by 2. I can write this in this form. This will get cancelled out and I am left with 2a cos square theta by 2. Similarly, I know sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. Therefore, we can simplify this as minus a sine theta can be written as minus 2a sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Since sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, I can write this in this form. Okay. Now we have to find dy by dx. Now dy by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. This is equal to minus 2a sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 2a cos square theta by 2. This will give us minus tan theta by 2. This is my dy by dx. Now we have to find tangent and normal at the point theta is equal to pi by 2. At theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus 1 for theta is equal to pi by 2. When we take theta to be pi by 2 here, we will have 10 pi by 4. 1045 is minus 1. 1045 is 1, and here we have minus 1045. Therefore, minus 1 here. Okay. Also, for theta is equal to pi by 2, the point on the curve the point on the curve is x is a into theta plus sine theta. Therefore, on taking theta to be pi by 2, in this point we have a into pi by 2 plus sine pi by 2. This is my x, and y is a into 1 plus cos pi by 2. This is my point when theta is 1, when theta is pi by 2. That is, point is a pi by 2 sine 90 is 1. Therefore, this is a point, and cos 90 is 0. Therefore, this is the point. Okay. Therefore, hence the equation of tangent, at theta is equal to pi by 2 is y minus a, this point, is equal to minus 1 dy by dx into x minus this point a pi by 2 plus 1. That is, y minus a is equal to minus x plus a pi by 2 plus 1. This gives us x, taking here on left hand side, x plus y is equal to a pi by 2 plus a plus a. That is, x plus y minus a pi by 2 minus 2a is equal to 0. This is my equation of tangent at theta is equal to pi by 2. Same way, we can find the equation of normal at theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay. Now same way we will find the equation of normal at theta is equal to pi by 2. And equation of normal is y minus a into 1 x minus a pi by 2 plus 1. That is, this is equal to y minus a is equal to x minus a pi by 2 minus a, and this is equal to y minus x plus a pi by 2. This a will get cancelled out. This is equal to 0, or this is x minus y minus a pi by 2 is equal to 0. This is my equation of normal at the point at theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay, that's it for this video. In my next video, I'm going to discuss some more problems on tangents and normals. Okay, if you have any queries or any suggestions, please write to me in comment box. Thank you.